toughest one. Let's start. P and Q are the midpoints of the sides CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Now C is the right angle, right? And P and Q are the midpoints. So what we have to find? Find 4 AC square plus BC square. 4 into AC square plus BC square. Okay. 4 AC square plus BC square equals to, here 4 AC square plus what is BC? BC is this. So 2 into QC, right? But what is 2 QC the whole square? 4 QC square. Take 4 common. So 4 into AC square plus QC square. So what is that? That is AQ square by Pythagoras theorem, right? Base square plus height square equals to hypotenuse square. That's the required answer. Next, 4 BC square plus AC square. This is what we have to find out. I think so similar one. So 4 BC square plus AC square. AC square is what? 2 PC square, right? 2 PC. AC equals to 2 PC, right? So do the same. 4 PC square, 4 common BC square plus PC square, that is BP square. Therefore answer is 4 BP square. Quite easy one. Next, 4 into AQ square plus BP square. Okay, let's AQ and BP. Okay, so 4 into AQ square plus BP square equals to, what is AQ square? AC square plus CQ square. What is BP square? PC square plus BC square, right? Pythagoras. Therefore AC square plus BC square, rearrange them. AC square plus BC square and CQ square plus PC square. Okay, okay. So AC square plus BC square is what? AB square, and CQ square plus PC square as it is now. Then next, solve this. 4 into AB square plus 4 into CQ square plus 4 into PC square, right? So this 4 CQ square can be written as 2 CQ the whole square. Similarly, 4 PC square is 2 PC the whole square, right? But what is 2 CQ? 2 CQ is BC, right? Therefore BC square over here again, and 2 PC is what? Again AC. So AC square over here. So it becomes 4. But what is BC square plus AC square now? Again Pythagoras. AB square. So 4 AB square plus AB square, it is 5 AB square.